Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today we're going to take a look at the GoPro 12 Black Series. And this one here, I got the kit, which comes with this nice little case here, the floating hand grip, and it comes with 2 batteries and some other accessories and a forehead mount. Okay, so here's the camera, and the one thing I noticed is it seems a little bit sturdier, a little bit heavier materials, a little bit more solid than last year's model. Plus, it's got this kind of rubberized grip on the edges and on the front. This is the Max Lens Mod 2.0, which gives you a really nice wide field of view. And this is the lens, and it just snaps on the front. Actually, it's a bayonet mount, so you just pop it on. And this is what it looks like. This is in the hyper view mode. So this is the widest view you can get, and this is also in 4K. So you can see here at arm's length, I can get the whole bicycle in, and a pretty nice lens accessory. So I really do like this quite a bit. It looks pretty good. And actually the colors in the standard picture profile look pretty nice here. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Now this is in the super view mode. So it's gonna be a little bit narrower and not so much, a lot of times when you go wide angle, you get more distortion on the lens. But you can see here, it's not quite the same wide field of view, but it does take in the images pretty good. Okay, so this is back to, this is hyper view, so you can get an idea of what this looks like. And I did use a couple other accessories on the bike here. I did use their carbon fiber mount extension rods, and it worked pretty good. It was a little bit, you have to use an Allen wrench. Now this shot here, this is in the super view mode, so you can kind of compare the two. This is my kind of quick look at the GoPro 12, and I will have more videos on my channel. Check back, and you can continue watching the video here. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.